Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican talent displayed their je ne sais quoi for The Lion King. The Little Theatre in Kingston came to life yesterday as the Disney team hosted the auditions for the international theatre production of The Lion King. Robust male and female singers and strong male and female dancers with a modern ballet dance background and acrobatic skills have a chance to be included in The Lion King's upcoming tour of the United Kingdom. Worldwide musical supervisor of Disney's The Lion King, Clement Ishmael, was pleasantly surprised with the level of talent.
Zazu, you told me they're nothing but slobbering, mangy, stupid...
We haven't been here for 6 years, and the last time we were here, we didn't find many singers, but this year there's been so many great singers, so we're really, really pleased about the result. And obviously everything in Jamaica, people are getting better and better, so it's good to be back. There were always good dancers here. In fact, the choreographer of The Lion King is Jamaican, so we always knew there would be good dancers here. But to me, the big surprise is how many great singers we have.
Worldwide Associate Director of Disney's The Lion King, Anthony Lynn, shared why the Disney team came to Jamaica.
Our main purpose here is to find artists from all over the world, but at this particular moment from Jamaica, obviously, to be in one of the 10 productions of Lion King we have running all over the world. Thus far, compared to when we've been here in the past, we're seeing a lot more people, and the standard of people that we're seeing is a great deal higher.
The Lion King UK tour is the second time the award-winning show has hit the road. The original tour took place between 2012 and 2015. Good luck, tour guys. Love and drug awareness in the air at Red Rose for Gregory. International acts Regina Bell and Peebo Bryson brought blissful vocals to the third annual staging of the Red Rose for Gregory concert held over the weekend. Regina Bell treated the packed venue to her classics like This Is Love and Make It Like It Was, whilst crooner Peebo Bryson serenaded the audience with tracks like Can You Stop the Rain and Tonight I Celebrate My Love. However, it was his track, If You're Ever in My Arms Again, that inspired a couple to get engaged.
Right here. Ask her. Come on then. Come on. Did she say yes? Hey, he asked her, she said yes!
Organized by the Gregory Isaacs Foundation, part proceeds from the concert will be donated to the Patricia House Drug Rehabilitation Center in Kingston. The singers expressed that they are both in support of the concert's cause.
My mom always says that your reputation precedes you. It walks in the door before you get there. And so Gregory's reputation as character speaks loudly tonight as we look at all the audience out there.
He's still doing the same kind of good he's doing from the great place he is right now. And I think that's honorable on any day of the week, any day of the year.
Isaacs, who passed away in 2010 from lung cancer at the age of 59, was openly candid about his battle with drug addiction. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.